Hey, this is René, and in this video I will lead you step by step through the whole process that you need to go through in order to use my expert advisors, my free expert advisors in your demo and in your live account. So I'm talking about the expert advisors on my website. You've probably seen them already and you probably have downloaded them already. You can use them all completely for free with any broker actually in the strategy tester, so you know exactly what you get, and if you decide you want to use them in your demo or live account, then you can use them in accounts with my partner broker, but everything is completely for free. I will tell you more about this later. These are the same programs that I also use in my live account. Maybe you have watched this. I'm streaming almost every day for the last 2 years live now, and currently the profit is amazing. The account is also my FX book verified. The profit is around 90,000 euro. We can see it a little bit better with the numbers here in my Trade Buddy trading journal. As I said, everything's verified. Most of these trades, like 95%, were done live and in real time on YouTube, because I want to be transparent here and not like other trading gurus that are just talking but not showing actual results. So how does it work and how can you get a license? You go to my website, bmtrading.de. Then you can find here, download EAs now. This is the page I've shown you before. Here you can download all of the expert advisors and it's really just one click. So if I click here on download, you will have the file downloaded. You can see it in your downloads and you can use it, as I said, in the strategy tester already. If you want to use it in a live account, you need to do the following steps. In order to request a license for these expert advisors, since they are for free, obviously I also need to get something from it, but I think I created a very, very fair deal where everyone wins. To trade, you anyways need a broker. So I partnered up with a bunch of brokers. You can see them here. These are well-known brokers, not these brokers. They just pay me a lot, but they offer very bad trading conditions for you. No, these brokers are around. Like some of them, like IC Markets, is around for more than 10 years. They have a very good reputation in the industry and you don't have any disadvantage if you open with my partner link. But if you open with my partner link, also you support me and the broker is paying me. This can be a part of the commission that you pay to the broker for your trades or just a fixed fee. So basically you don't have any disadvantage. The broker is covering all of the costs, paying me, so I can give you the expert advisors completely for free. That's the deal. Now we are already on the broker page. So with any of these brokers that you can find here on this page, it might be more or less whenever you watch this video. With all of them, you can open an account and request the license then later for your trading account. So how does this work? Let's pick, for example, IC Trading as a broker, and I can click here on open account. If you click on the links on my website, you should automatically be connected to my referral ID, so you don't have to do anything else. But even if you're not connected automatically, once you request a license, you will get a feedback from me in 1 or 2 days saying if your license was applied or not, and if not, then probably because your account was not connected to my referral ID, but then you can still ask the broker support to do it afterwards. So once you are here, you will need to open a demo or live account. So you can go here, try a free demo or start trading, whatever you prefer. And the steps are very, very simple. With any broker you choose, you basically can just click through the form here and you can just say open a demo account for live account. There should be a little bit more steps, but you can just click through these steps. I can also make a separate video maybe on my YouTube channel how to go through all of these steps. But basically, once you provided all of your data and verified your profile for live account, you will need to update your ID, obviously. Also, for example, a bank account statement, maybe to verify your address. But this guide here will lead you through all of the steps, so it's very easy. And if you need help at any point, feel free to reach out to the broker. They have support people that can assist you in these steps. So once you've finished all of these steps, you will see the login area, or you can access the login area of your broker. If it's IC Trading, IC Markets, or one of the other brokers, doesn't matter. They always look kind of similar and you will see all of your accounts here. Important is that these expert advisors only work with MetaTrader 5, so you will need to open a MetaTrader 5 account. Once you did this, they will be listed like you can see them here, and then you can use these accounts in the MetaTrader, which brings us to the next step. Of course, we have to install the MetaTrader. Usually you can find it in the login portal of your broker. For example, here for IC Trading, I can click on downloads on the left side, and here you will see MetaTrader 5. If I click on download MT5, it will download the MT5 installer, and you can see here it's now put in my downloads directory. Here you can just double click it or install it in any way that you install software on your computer. Usually it's just a double click, and then you can click on next, basically, and this will automatically install the program. So here it's finished. I click on finish. It's in German for me, but for you it should say something like that. And then you can see here it will open the MetaTrader 5, and now you can log into your account. Usually the server is already shown here, but if you are looking for some other broker or some other server, you can also search here if it's not showing yours automatically. You click on next, and then you can go here and connect with your account. So the username, this is important, you can find in your login portal or area here in the browser. The username is just the account number of the account you want to log into. So I will just paste it here. This is one of my live accounts, and then I can also add the password here. The password you should have received via email, but you can also reset it in the login area. Then important here, you'll also find the server where your account is running. For me, this is here, Capital Points Trading MT54. So of course I will select this server. Then I click on finish. And this will log you into your trading account. You can see here, this is one of my live trading accounts, and this should look somehow like this. I will not explain in detail how to configure your MetaTrader. This is something you can find somewhere else. But here I want to show you how you can now use the Expert Advisor. In the upper left corner, you can click on File, Open Data Folder. Then you go to MQL5, Experts. And you can see here are some files already, some default or sample Expert Advisors, but this is exactly where you want to put the Expert Advisor. So where can we find the Expert Advisor? We already downloaded it from my website. So again, on my website, Expert Advisors, you can download any Expert Advisor here. It's just one click, it will download the program. So this will land usually in your downloads directory in your computer. And here you will find usually 2 files in these zip folders. First of all, you will find a explanation of the inputs. You can read this or also watch the videos that I usually publish to explain the programs. And then the second one is the executable. This is the one we will need. So I will copy it from here. I will go to my MetaTrader 5, actually to this experts folder, but I will show you again how to go there. File, Open Data Folder, MQL5, Experts. And here you want to paste the file. So this is all you need to do. The executable, the EX5 is the file you need to do backtest, run it in a live or a demo account. So once you pasted it here, and by the way, I can do this for only one, but I can do this also for multiple programs, of course. So if I also have the range breakout here, I can also paste the range breakout here. Once you do it, you can easily close this again. And then on the left side, you will find the navigator. If you don't find the navigator, click on View, Navigator to open or close the navigator. Here you will find the Expert Advisors folder. In this folder, you should find the Expert Advisors. If you don't find them, usually that's the case. If you just put it in the folder, you can right click and say refresh. And then they should pop up here if everything's correctly. So now basically you have the Expert Advisors installed, so you can simply use them. So if I double click, for example, the range breakout EA, you can see here, I mean, you need to allow the algo trading. If you want to use algo trading in your account, you will have to do it here, up here, and also in the Expert Advisor. And then you can see all of the inputs here. I will not explain the EA in detail. That's what I do in other videos and also in the PDF file. But if I click on OK, you will see that unfortunately it's not working. So there are a few things we need to do. First of all, when you start any of these free Expert Advisors, as I said, you will need a license for it, but it's not a problem. The license is checked whenever you activate the program in your account. So make sure that you have a valid license and also an internet connection, but that's usually not a problem because anyways you need internet to trade. So here it says you need to add the address bmtrading.de to your list of allowed URLs, because the first thing the expert advisors do when they are getting started, they will check or send a request to my server to verify if you have a valid license. So to be able to make this request, there's a one security barrier in the MetaTrader 5, because you will have to add this my server for you will have to give the allowance to request from my server. So what you do is in the upper task bar here, you can go to Tools, Options, and here you will find the Expert Advisors tab. In this Expert Advisors tab, you can see here, allow web request for listed URLs. So you need to check this box, and then here you say bmtrading.de. Only type this, nothing else. No www, no https, nothing. Just bmtrading.de like it's written here. Once it shows here, you can click on OK, and that's it. Now I can run the EA again, and if I try to activate it, you can see we still get an error message, but it's a different one. You can see here, account number was not found in our database. Register your account on en.bmtrading.de. This is actually a little bit of an outdated URL, but what you need to do is you need to go to my website and now request the actual license. So if you're on the Expert Advisors page here already, you can just click on request license. Here you can then read again how everything works, but basically you need to provide your email address here that you used to sign up with the broker. This is very important. Do not use a different email address, because this is what we will use on our end to check if your email address is connected to the referral ID. So if you put another email address that you didn't use to sign up with the broker, your request will fail. Then the account number, this is the actual trading account number for your MetaTrader 5, because this account will be licensed for the EAs. So you can just take it from here, for example, just copy it and put it here as the account number. Then you choose the partner broker also. Like, all of these settings are important. It has to be the email that you used, it has to be the account number, and it has to be the exact partner broker. If you mix them up in a way, it will be rejected, but no worries, you can just apply for the license again. Also, if you want to use it for multiple accounts, just request for multiple accounts. Also, that is not a problem. Then you can say that you read the privacy policy. Obviously, we need to process your email address to check the license. And then also you can subscribe to the newsletter. This is what I would recommend, because I might send you a message if there's something happening with your license or if there are updates for the EAs. Then you can click on request license. And it should look like this. If you see this, no worries, we got your request, and you will receive an answer in 1 or 2 days. Usually can take a little bit longer if no one is in the office, but usually 1 or 2 days and you will receive an answer. So watch your email post box carefully, because you will receive the answer there. It's going to the email you provided here also. Then go back to your account where you have the Expert Advisor, and now since you received the email, your account is in the database, so it should work just fine. So if I activate the Expert Advisor one more time, now everything is set up, and you can see it is activating the Expert Advisor in the account, it is putting the orders, everything's fine. This will not only work for the range breakout EA, but if I remove it from the chart, for example, let me also delete this order. I don't want this in this account. So you can also use the go long, for example. So you don't need multiple licenses. You can use all of the Expert Advisors automatically. So this is basically all you have to do. And then you can use all of the Expert Advisors from the website completely for free in your licensed account. You can request for multiple accounts as long as they are connected to my referral ID, no problem. And again, how this deal works, just in order you don't understand or you think something is fishy here or something, I do provide these Expert Advisors completely for free. So from your side, you don't pay anything. This is possible because I partnered up with the brokers here, and basically the brokers pay me for referring you as a client. I want to be as transparent as possible here. Then with all of these brokers, I have different deals. Usually I get a share of the commission that you pay for your trades, but you would pay the commission anyways. I'm just getting a share. So basically the broker makes less money on you, but I get a share of it and you don't have any additional cost. This is how I can finance myself and give these expert advisors away for free so everyone can use them. As I said, these expert advisors are proven, not in a cent account or in a demo account, but in an actual live trading account. I made these profits. It's verified. I made most of this live actually on my channel in a live stream. I even withdrew from this account and have shown it live. So this is not the usual fake that you find online, but this is real genuine programs that I use myself. I'm also invested in that I believe they could also make profits in the future. I'm not promising anything. So at this point, it's important that you do your own test. And that's what you can also do with the free expert advisors. And if you decide you like them, you want to use them, feel free. I would be happy if you are happy. So it's a win-win for everyone. And that's the deal and the offer I make. Hope you like it. I will see you in the next video. Have a great time. Good trades. Bye.